Got it. Yeah. Little Mumsy and Cyan time. He's exercising his neck muscles. And he smells the goodies, but he doesn't really know where they are, so he's just trying everything out. This is Cyan in the morning. He's always in a good mood, except in the evening when he's cranky. We have to keep that quiet. Cyan! Cyan!
Oh.
See, Puppy should have shut up about the good mood. Puppy shouldn't have mentioned it.
Where's Popsy?
Cyan!
Where's Popsy?
Cyan!
Popsy! I'm here.
He's looking for the goodies. Where are the goodies? I can smell them.